myself Arna Johri in front of you with a new video, and it is about that why only 1% people are getting success and 99% are facing the failures. They are getting success but not as they wanted. So there are main causes. We will focus on that today, and that first cause is there for their success. 1% people, those who are successful, for the cause for their success is they are very much, first of all, they have decided their passion. What is their passion? About which they are ready to die also. If they will not get that, they will die. Means they are thinking, they are loving to that thing a lot, without which they think that the life is nothing. That type of passion they are having. So if we want to get success, if you want to get success, you have to keep one passion. Many goals may be there, many wishes may be there, many things may be there about which you may be thinking that I must get that thing, I must get that thing, if this thing may be there with me, I may be having lot of money, I may be having the car, I may be having the big house, you may be thinking, but about which you are going to die. You are not, if you will not find that, if you will not get that thing, you will not be able to live. Life is meaningless without that. That is called passion. So you have to keep one passion, very burning desire, you can call it. Then second topic on which you must think they are doing, that is grit. Grit means that you are not leaving the race. You are in the race till the end. You are not getting that. Until I will not get that thing, I will not leave the race. One sprinter is there, one racer is there running in the Olympics. Until he is on the field, on the track, there is a chance to win. But if he leaves the track, there is no chance. It means you have to remain in the race till you are achieving your goal, till you are achieving your passion, about which you cannot live. You are thinking that you are loving it and you are thirsty for that and may go at any level for that. You have to stay in the race. You have to stay on the field. And why is clear that why you want that thing. So it means you are there always. You will not leave at any cost, not to give up. Stay in the game until you are getting that. So it is very much important. Then without a teacher, nothing can be received, nothing can be get. You need a good teacher. You have to choose your ideal person. You have to choose your mentor. Just like you have passed 12th standard, you have passed your medical, you have passed your engineering or any field, you have done the exams and you were having some teachers. Out of these teachers, one was very much ideal to you. You want to become like that. You want to follow that, the ideals. In the same manner, in the life, success of life, in the success in the life, you must choose one mentor. Sometimes it is very easy and sometimes it becomes very difficult. When it is easy, when some mentor is in search of, like you, some passionate person, and he find you. And in the same manner, many times you have listened many stories of the ancient time that the gurus are saying that I was waiting for you. Where were you? Why you are so late? I was waiting for you. In the same manner, some mentors are also in search of you. They are always ready to help you. So you find that and follow their path. Whatever the way they are telling, you have to follow. You have to live in the submission to them. You have to be truthful towards them. Never tell lie to them. Transparency must be there. You must tell each and everything either wrong or either right. You are not there to decide. That will be decided by the mentor. by the teacher, by the ideal person, the role model for you, and maybe ideal, and he will or she will be every step with you, never leave you. Mentor, a good mentor never leaves the disciple. Either the person is wrong or right, and all the way the person is ready to help. Don't worry about the unsuccess, because failures are the stepping stones on the way of the success. You can take the example of Harry Potter, that 12 times he was rejected and ultimately he got the success and become famous. You can take the example of KFC, that at the age of 60, when he retired, he thought that he is empty handed, he is not having anything. So he decided to start his own dish, and he went more than thousands of the restaurants, and they have rejected him, and ultimately at one place he has got the success. So for the success, the failures may be there. You have listened the story of the Thomas Alva Edison. He was unsuccessful more than 1000 times, and ultimately he has discovered the thing which we are enjoying now. So and mentors are always helping on each failures. They are giving you courage, they are giving you motivation that how can you get the success. So live in the submission to the mentor, always tell the truth to them, stick up with your passion, and never leave the race. These three are the way to success by which you can come in the 1% people, those who are successful. You can be among them and feel proud about that. Thank you for today. We will meet again with the next video.